Welcome again to our math class, a review. Sixth graders, once again, this is going to be a fairly short video. Chapter 5, Lesson 3, Comparing and Ordering Integers. I think most of you got your notes pretty well taken, and if any of you were absent, this should help you. What math symbols do we use to compare integers? Pause your video and think about that for a second. See if you can write down the symbols that we use to compare integers. That's right, there are only three. Less than, equal, greater than. Those are the symbols we use when we are comparing integers. Go ahead and write one of those symbols between each set of numbers to compare them. Pause your video and do that in your notes. You should have gotten something like this. Pause your video and check your answers. Now in your notes, if you need to use a number line, in fact, let's go ahead and use a number line to help you compare the values of -3 and -6. Once again, pause your video, use the number lines, plot these on the number line, and then see if you can compare them. Yes, it was okay if you extended the number line a little bit to put your -6 somewhere off the end of what you were already given on the horizontal number line. You can see it on the vertical number line. And indeed, -3 is greater than -6. Why is that? Well, it's closer to 0. They're both negative numbers, and it's closer to 0 than -6, so -3 is greater than -6. Let's try it with these. You have a set of numbers. In your notes, use a number line to help you order the data in this data set from least to greatest. Now that means two things. First of all, plot them on the number line and then write them in order from least to greatest. Once again, you probably needed to extend the number line to get the -10 in. And if you did it right, your points should look something like this on the number line. And these are the data points in order from least to greatest. All right, if you haven't already done so in your math books, in your math book on page 368, do numbers 12, 13, and 14, and do all of the problems on pages 369, 375, and 377. If you're someone who was absent today, please have those ready to share in class tomorrow.